Technical data of gauge wire 4 mm square. Today we will talk about 4 mm square wire. A wire with a gauge of 4 mm square is a more robust electrical conductor compared to smaller gauges, which makes it suitable for applications that require higher current capacity. Here are typical technical data for a wire of this gauge. 1. Material used. The inner conductor of a 4 mm square wire is often made of copper due to its excellent electrical conductivity. Copper is the most common material for electrical wires, but in some special applications, such as corrosive environments, aluminum wires may be used. 2. Maximum electric current. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 4 mm square wire can withstand depends on installation conditions and local electrical codes. Under typical installation conditions, this wire can safely handle currents up to approximately 35 to 40 amps. Exact capacity may vary, so it is important to consult local electrical codes and manufacturer specifications to determine proper current capacity. 3. Common applications. 4 mm square wires are often used to power devices and equipment that demand higher currents, such as electric heating systems, industrial machines, larger lighting systems and other equipment that require a significant amount of energy. 4. Maximum supported temperature. The maximum temperature that a 4 mm square wire can withstand also depends on the type of insulation used. Standard PVC insulated wires typically withstand operating temperatures of up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires with insulation from heat-resistant materials such as silicone can be used, and they can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Please remember that these technical data are general and may vary based on local codes, manufacturer specifications and specific installation conditions. Consulting a qualified electrician or electrical engineer when planning and carrying out electrical installations is critical to ensuring that all safety standards and regulations are met. Right on the channel, activate the bell, share, leave your like and comment.